Getting here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 22nd and it's still dark outside. But we're going to show the progress of our recovery tomatoes and such. As you can see, we've got good germination there on a lot of them. We've got some different cucumbers here. We've got some of our watermelons and cantaloupes that are coming back. Now, we don't have any germination on our peppers yet. It's going to be a little bit. And our Cherokee purple, which we've got a full tray of them. So hopefully we'll do good getting these transplanted pretty soon. And we've germinated some papaya seeds. We'll see how we do with papayas, and we've got some black mission figs. We're going to relocate some, so we've got some propagating here. And we've got some pomegranates. Now, I pruned my pomegranate, and I just stuck it in water here. And it's been a few weeks, and as you can see, we've got good root growth on that. We've got root growth starting on one of the others. I'll go ahead and pot this one up today and let it go. But if you're going to do it this way, just take and change your water out every day or two. Make sure it's got clean water. The first few times I change it every day. As it changes color a little bit, need to change it out. But we're going to go see the rest of our transplants that's out there in the garden. Okay, we're out here in the garden. I don't know how well my volume's going to be. I got a little moisture in my port, so. But anyway, some of our seedlings we got are okra. We just put this out. Got a nice row of okra while we was out here doing that, and we did finish the row down here by the blueberries. Just got the drip lines back in on those, but we got all that cleaned up finally. And we planted a row of green beans. Well, it's a double row of green beans right there. So we're well on our way. While we're back here, there's no sign of the ginger coming up. But we'll go look at these seedlings, see what's coming up. We've got some empty space here in the greenhouse, and we've got to put some of these seedlings out. I was going to do it today, but it'll probably be tomorrow. We've got some of our cucumbers and cantaloupes and melons starting to come up. A bunch of little tomatoes been brought out here a while ago, and our peppers, so we'll let them grow on out here. Our onions are looking good, about time to give them a haircut. And we've got this Hilton cabbage, some Mitchell and bok choy. We need to get this out. And you can see our lettuce that was nice and green inside, and I told you this red leaf, it's turning red. It's got a little bit before it'll be put out, but that's where I'm sitting as far as my seedlings. They're all doing good. Won't be long, we'll get some of these out. Our sweet potato slips here, they're looking mighty good too. And these peppers aren't far off. We'll go ahead and put them out not too long. But that's where we're at, and I hope you enjoyed this update, and just stay tuned for more, and give it a big thumbs up and enjoy that gardening experience.